I'm Aaron Rutten, a full-time artist, digital art educator, and YouTube creator. It is my ambition to help artists enjoy digital art while learning some new skills along the way. I'm able to accomplish this by sharing free digital art knowledge and creating valuable resources for the digital art community. I'm currently posting 4 new videos each week to YouTube, but as you can imagine, that is a lot of work, and that's because in addition to creating videos, I also have to earn a sustainable income in order to be a full-time artist. That's where fans like you can really make a difference. Meet Patreon. Patreon is a unique opportunity for fans who enjoy my work to join me on my mission while getting a behind-the-scenes view of my process. Many of my patrons are here because they appreciate the work I do and just want to be a part of my creative journey, while others are here because of the valuable resources I offer for digital artists. Once you become my patron, you'll feel good knowing that you're funding monthly resources for the digital art community that would not otherwise exist. Here's how your support can make a difference. Funding from my Patreon community empowers me to dedicate more time to creating digital art videos and resources. Patrons are able to influence the content I create through comments and polls. I've been able to greatly improve the quality of my videos by purchasing better video and audio equipment. Patron funding provides me with a small budget I can use to travel and paint outdoors, and my patrons inspire me to consistently create content each month. Patreon is also a place to make a connection. My Patreon community allows me to connect with my biggest fans on a deeper level by being more accessible. Patrons can comment and ask me questions in a private forum that is free of trolls and negativity, and patrons can give and receive feedback that is posted to the private forum. Patreon is a place to get exclusive access to art resources. My Patreon page makes it easy for me to share exclusive content that I create especially for my patrons. As a member of my artist community, you'll get access to patrons-only rewards that are not available to the general public. If you're thinking about joining my Patreon community, the best time to do that is the first of the month because that's when billing occurs. You can edit your pledge amount or cancel your pledge at any time, and if you want to, you can even make a one-time pledge if you like. If you're interested in learning more about Patreon and the rewards I offer, go to patreon.com/AaronRutten and check out the overview page or the rewards section. There's a ton of digital art resources that you can access right now by joining my Patreon community. If you have any questions about Patreon, feel free to comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.